Esser. I'm a fitness and weight loss professional. I've been doing this about 15 years, and I have just discovered this amazing different way to do meal prep, and I just wanted to share it with you. And we are here at Louie's Wine Dive. Our awesome friend Lisa has offered to let us use her space. So cheers, we'll be drinking some amazing wine while we tell you about this experience. And I'm brand new to this, which is why I asked Lisa to come and chat with us, because she's done this before. So what's been your experience?
So I am obviously a very busy person.
Right.
I am a restaurant person, which means that my hours are crazy.
Sure.
I have 2 kids, middle and high school, and my husband travels.
Oh my gosh.
And so I don't have time.
Yeah.
I don't have any time. So when I found Wildtree and Jen is amazing, I said, you have changed my life.
That's amazing.
Because my kids can cook for themselves, and I know that they're not cooking macaroni and cheese and pizza, and they're having fun, healthy foods that they like and that they can prepare themselves.
That's amazing. So how long have you been utilizing Jen and her services?
Almost a year.
Oh my gosh, that's great. And it's been like a home run.
It's been fantastic.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not always good about ordering, but when I remember to,
right.
It's been fantastic. And I let the kids go through and choose what meals that they want to eat for the week.
Sure.
And so they know what they're doing.
And so my kids are much younger. I have 4-year-old twins and a 5-year-old little boy. So that, I love hearing that, because that's something I struggle with. How do I teach my kids how to cook healthy and how to choose and involve them in this family meal planning thing? I think that's really hard.
It's really been wonderful. And I sent my son, I said, choose what you want to have this week, and then make me a list of the groceries that we need to have to finish out the meals that we're doing this week. And so I came home and he had a list and ready to go. And it turned out one of the meals that he thought he had chosen, actually he hadn't, because we've already eaten it. So I said, it's okay. We had enough of the ingredients that we could go back through, and we made it again.
Okay.
He says, Mom, I was really looking forward to that. And so we were able to do it.
So great.
And he was so excited to be able to have this meal that he was looking forward to.
Yes. And then you're basically creating a family culture and memories, and that's we have a huge food tradition in my family. It sounds like you maybe came from the same background.
Yes.
Being a restaurant person, I'm sure you guys are amazing foodies. So that is everything I think a lot of women are looking for, right? And then you don't have that mommy guilt about so many things.
I always try to make sure that if I'm working, they have good food to eat, and I don't have to say, well, you want a pizza? Do you want mac and cheese? What can we do?
Yeah, and I work in the evenings also. I'm teaching fitness or training clients. So for me, it's not so much the kid guilt, it's, hey husband, could you please execute this crazy vegan 12-step? He's a wonderful man, but he is not going to do that either.
Correct. Yep.
So it really sounds like for a huge array of women, this is a great solution.
Absolutely.
Well, cheers to that.
So convenient.
Yay!